information statement. Spotter activation is not needed. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Another
Issued
one?
at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for portions of south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. For tonight, wind chills may dip slightly below zero late tonight.
That one's probably for us. It's been cold.
Wednesday through Monday.
Let's go!
Thursday
I kind
night
of
into Friday.
freaked out when that went off. Jesus! They're early. The early bird catches the worm, I guess. Is it gonna go off? Is it gonna go off? Yep.
Weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south-central Indiana and north-central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day.
I know.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south-central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north-central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
It was like extremely early. I was expecting them to at least be just like after a few minutes after 6, but no, it was just like 6 p.m. hit the button. Alright, well, that was another RWT. It happens every week. It's nothing new. I have to stare at that yellow advisory light all the time. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Possible. The
Well,
alarm will
it's
be
repeating
activated
the
for
alarm.
watches and
It's
warnings
repeating it.
affecting the following counties.
It's repeating itself.
In south-central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott,
Like I
and
had
Washington.
shut off the camera,
In
pressed the red
north-central
button,
Kentucky,
and now it's
Bullitt,
repeating
Henry,
itself.
Jefferson, Nelson,
It's never
Oldham,
done that before.
Shelby,
Yes.
Spencer, Trimble.
Never done
This
that.
concludes the test of the
The
NOAA
NOAA
weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system.
We now return you to regular programming.
6 p.m. East.
Yeah, I've never heard it repeat itself, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, I don't remember when they've ever repeated itself like that. But whatever. I told Apple not to call me again.
Metro by T-Mobile is giving you more with the big 5G upgrade. Now, choose from the largest selection of free 5G phones like the Samsung Galaxy 5G. All with the power of the T-Mobile 5G network. Get more for the new year. Only at Metro.
There's never been a better time to sell your car, and Oxmoor Toyota will pay top dollar. Eliminate the hassles of advertising.
Yeah.